Voilà. On est sur la bonne... sur le bon live. C'est parti pour le Pokémon présent, les amis.
Hi, Pokemon trainers. I'm Chris Brown from the Pokemon Company International. Today, I'm excited to share details about the 2025 Pokemon World Championships coming to Anaheim, California from August 15th to 17th. We are once again thrilled to welcome thousands of trainers from around the world who will battle across the Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet video games, the Pokemon trading card game, Pokemon Go, and Pokemon Unite. These elite trainers will receive a celebratory promo card for competing in the Pokemon World Championships.
Ok,
Let's
donc là ils
take
vont
a
recevoir...
first look at this year's special artwork for Paradise Resort.
Ils vont recevoir une carte spéciale. C'est pas la plus belle des cartes, mais bon.
In 2025, we will host
En
Championship
2025,
Sunday in an arena
nous
for the
avons
very first time.
de
Those who can prove
host.
themselves as the best will earn incredible prizes, including the coveted
Il y a
Champions Line.
des gros cadeaux à
Alongside
gagner.
our competitors, we expect more than 20,000
On a
Pokemon fans
eu
to come
20
celebrate
000
together
fans
and enjoy
Pokémon
tons of new activities.
qui ont aimé nos
Each
activités.
attendee will also receive a special digital code to obtain Toad School for the Pokemon Scarlet and
Ok.
Pokemon Violet video games.
Tu peux avoir un badge dans
During the
Pokémon
weekend,
Scarlet et
fans at
Violet.
home can tune in to the action via our live stream broadcasts available in multiple languages. Some of these streams have special giveaways planned, so we hope you'll join us in cheering our competitors as they strive to achieve the title of World Champion. Thank you for being a
C'est
part
bon,
of
ça
what
tient.
makes our global community of Pokemon trainers so special.
On this island, we want the Pokemon to have as
Ouais,
much
mais
fun
c'est la
as they'd
série
like.
Netflix.
We'll do our very best to help you feel as comfortable as possible, so you can make the most of the amenities we offer. Amenities we offer. No, I just planted there. Leave it alone, please.
Haru, it's all up to you. Make our team proud.
Are you okay?
Thanks,
Est-ce que vous allez la regarder? Moi, j'avoue, je vais pas la regarder.
Haru?
Oh yeah, that guy's totally her
J'aime pas
ex,
trop
no
le
doubt.
style pâte à modeler comme ça. Même si c'est un style.
Moving here helped a lot. Working actually makes me happy.
Est-ce
And
que
I
vous
can
allez la
work
regarder,
harder,
vous?
too.
Wait, Celio! Come back! Sorry Celio is causing you so much trouble. I know, it's a lot.
How long have you and Celio known each other, Dan?
For about 15 years now. Looking back, it gave me such good memories and so much happiness.
Bon, après, c'est quand même stylé, mais bon. C'est quand même stylé, mais bon, je vais pas mater ça.
Obstacle, and our friends always remind us that we're never alone.
Pokémon concierge.
Onward to a brand new day.
On lit en Netflix.
My name is Peter Lord,
Mon nom
the
est Peter
co-founder
Lord,
and
je suis le
creative
cofondateur
director at
et
Aardman Animation Studio in Bristol, England.
Ok, c'est le mec qui a
At
fait la
Aardman,
série.
we have created award-winning stories with iconic characters. Now, we have the pleasure of partnering with Pokemon on an exciting new stop-motion animated series.
Ouais,
We'll
c'est
be
en
putting
stop
some
motion.
very special Pokemon front and center as the heroes of our show, and it will be set in a region which is very close to our hearts. It will give a unique look at the Pokemon world told from the perspective of Pokemon, with a signature Aardman sense of character and comedy and craft. I know you'll love it as much as we do. We could not be more excited to share this sneak peek with the world, so let's have a look.
Enfin, on vient déjà de le voir. Ah non, c'est encore autre chose. Bon, nous, on veut des news sur Zelda, nous. On veut des news sur Zelda. On veut du gameplay un peu. Ok. Pokémon Tales and Tina. The Misadventure of Stirfield et Pichu. Ok.
Hello everyone, I'm Utsunomiya from the Pokemon Company. In today's broadcast, we will be bringing you a variety of news about Pokemon, including our newest titles. In our next segment, we'd like to share the latest information about Pokepark Kanto. Please have a look.
Ok. Pokémon Kanto.
Kanto, the first permanent outdoor Pokémon attraction.
Ah oui, ok. Ok, un vrai Poképark. Oh la dinguerie. C'est où?
Pokemon has grown so much thanks to lots of support from many people. So we wanted to make a place everyone could come together and enjoy.
Oh la
A space where
dinguerie.
Pokemon will always be, and where people and Pokemon can have fun together.
Ça c'est stylé ça. Mais ça coûte combien l'entrée ça? Faut vendre quel Pokémon pour rentrer? Poképark Kanto can be... Ok.
Pokemon live within the forest. When you step inside, you'll find Pokemon playing together in groups.
Ok, donc ils vont pouvoir jouer à Pokémon en
We
groupe.
want to broaden people's idea of how Pokemon live and interact with one another by letting them experience a world with Pokemon in it. A place where we can tell visitors, welcome to the world of Pokemon.
As you enter, you'll be greeted by the diverse landscape of this rich natural forest where Pokemon reside.
Ok, c'est stylé.
There's also an area where Pokemon and trainers gather, the town of your dreams.
Du coup, c'est juste un parc ou c'est un parc d'attractions?
Here, encounters with a variety of Pokemon await you.
Ça a l'air d'être juste un parc. Poképark Kanto. Donc j'imagine que c'est un Kanto. Grand Opening, Planet for Early Delivery.
Next, we have a number of other announcements to share with you.
Ok, on a une nouvelle annonce à nous annoncer. Lui, c'est le boss de Pokémon. Ah, nouvelle mise à jour Pokémon Go. The biggest event in its history.
2025 Max Finale is coming soon. Max Pokémon will be appearing one after another. Eternatus will be appearing
Ouais,
for the
ça c'est
first
pas des
time
trucs que je fais moi
globally. We
personnellement.
also have a promo code to share that will give you a chance to catch a powerful Gigantamax Pokémon.
Voilà, je joue pas à Pokémon Go. Pokémon Trainer ensemble. Enfin non, assemble, donc c'est... Ouais, réunion. Donc ils sont tous ensemble quoi. Let... Ok. Pokémon Master X, nouveau jeu sur téléphone. Ou du moins ça l'était peut-être déjà. La Prince, ok. Les aventures autour du bateau. Pokémon Café Rubix. Ok. Mise à jour Pokémon Sleep. Faut que tu joues à Pokémon tout le temps. Le Pokémon présent, c'est ça. Septembre 2025, recherche sur Raikou. Ouais, bref, les 3 Pokémon que vous avez vus, quoi. Mais c'est un jeu où tu dors. Découvrez un nouveau Aera dans Pokémon Sleep. J'ai pas compris le principe du jeu, moi. Pokémon Unite, 4ème anniversaire, Latios qui rejoint, Latias aussi. Ça j'aime bien Pokémon Unite.
Latios and Latias join the fray to commemorate Pokemon Unite's 4th anniversary. Latios and Latias can both quickly fly to each other. A new type of battle, Electrode Volleyball, will be available after this broadcast ends.
Ok, il y a une nouvelle mise à jour du coup. Pokémon TCG. Voilà. Ah non, c'est les vraies cartes là. Elle est belle, hein. Elles sont belles les cartes. Méga Gardevoir X. Ouh. Moi j'ai eu une belle carte là récemment dans un des packs que j'ai acheté, j'étais content. Pokémon Méga Évolution 26 septembre. Oh, ça va encore faire un tabac ça.
Next, please take a look at this video.
Ok. Mobile version VLab. Ok, c'est encore un jeu mobile. Y'a pas un jeu spécial Switch 2 là que tu veux pas nous annoncer là? Pokémon Friends. Encore un nouveau jeu Pokémon. Ah, sur Switch aussi. En même temps, tous les jeux mobiles tiennent sur Switch. Choose the balloon that won't... Ah, on peut jouer sur Switch 2 aussi. Merci à eux. Bon, ça peut être cool ça. Ça peut être un jeu mobile que tu joues sur ta Switch, ça peut être cool. Solve puzzle, get your daily à un moment.
Use the plush you get from solving puzzles to decorate your in-game plush rooms.
Ok. Eureka Everyday.
Pokémon Friends.
Ah ça y est, c'est la pub Pokémon Friends où on peut jouer partout. Ok.
Pokémon Friends is a puzzle game where players enjoy the thrill of realization while untangling their thoughts. Every day you play is a chance to untangle your next Eureka moment. Pokémon Friends will be available on Nintendo Switch, iOS, and Android.
Ah, il est que en digital. Oui, bah, ça me tente, c'est un jeu mobile, donc bon.
We hope you download it and give it a try. Next, allow me to share some news about the Pokemon main series. A free update geared for the Nintendo Switch.
A free update for the Nintendo
Switch. Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet.
Ah. Des mises à jour gratuites.
Switch 2, you'll be able to enjoy smoother movement and even sharper graphics.
Une mise à jour gratuite.
We hope you try visiting the Paldea region on Nintendo Switch 2 as well.
Un nouveau monstre, un nouveau Pokémon.
A new Terra Raid battle event series will kick off in Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet tomorrow. These Terra Raid battle events will feature Shiny Wo-Chien, Shiny Qianpao, Shiny Tinglu, and Shiny Chi-Yu. But just winning the Terra Raid battles won't be enough to get these 4 Pokemon. You'll be able to add each one to your team only after it's been defeated 1 million times. Everyone will have to work together to attain the treasures of Ruin.
qu'ils soient battus 1 million de fois.
Pokemon Mass Outbreak events will also be
Ah
occurring at
ouais,
the
ils
same
ont
time.
bien... Ils ont bien prévu leur truc.
And that's not all. We're also giving away a tracksuit apparel item, so we hope you continue to enjoy adventuring in the Paldea region. Next, allow me to share some information about Pokemon Champions.
Moi, ça, c'est vraiment pas des trucs que je suis. Moi, est-ce que ça vous plaît pour l'instant, les amis, ce Pokémon Direct?
Pokemon Champions.
Pour l'instant, on est un peu déçus, hein.
In this title, you can enjoy the battles you know and love from the Pokemon series.
À part la mise à jour gratuite pour les Switch 2, pour l'instant, on n'a rien.
You can invite your previous Pokemon partners to join the action by linking with
En plus, je pense que c'est
Pokemon
bientôt fini.
Home, or you can find new partners to battle alongside you right away from within Pokemon Champions. You can recruit Pokemon to your team to battle
On peut
alongside
recruter des Pokémon durant...
Recruit Pokemon you're interested in and form a team. Then it's finally time for Pokemon battles. You can enjoy ranked battles that let you face off against trainers from around the world, as well as private battles where you can take on family and friends with greater immersion than ever before. Take on
Ouais.
thrilling matches in single battles and double battles.
Ouais, ça, franchement...
Finally,
C'est fou
we'd
comme
like
ça
to
m'intéresse
introduce
plus
you to
trop
a new way to raise
Pokémon,
that lets you enjoy
enfin
battles
tout ce qui est
even
jeu
more.
Pokémon. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais j'ai plus
Pokemon
cette
Champions offers ways to make raising your Pokémon
cette
more
vibe de
flexible
l'époque
and convenient
qui me
than
fait
ever.
que j'adorais ça.
Teach your Pokémon moves that interest you.
Là, je le
Train
fais
your
parce
Pokémon to make the most
que
of
c'est
them.
important quand même. Il faut le faire pour la chaîne
Recruit and
YouTube,
train
mais
to
bon.
easily enjoy Pokémon battling.
Enfin, je veux dire, Pokémon Zelda, il sera pas fait sur la chaîne YouTube, les amis.
Pokémon
Il sera sur la chaîne de Diloom. Il faudra le mater. Repépé. Ça y est, ça tient enfin.
Last up, we have some news
Ah.
about the Pokemon Legends ZA game. Please have a look at this video.
Enfin des news. Ouais, désolé, hein. Nintendo Switch 2, Game Freak. Enfin, t'arrives au meilleur moment. Game footage from Nintendo Switch 2. Ah, c'est du gameplay de Nintendo Switch 2 en plus là. Aïe aïe aïe. Même là c'est pas stylé. Même là c'est pas stylé. Oh là là. C'est la DA qui fait ça. C'est quoi? Mais enfin c'est pas possible. Là c'est censé nous donner envie d'acheter le jeu. Hein. Là c'est la version Switch 2 là carrément. Aïe aïe aïe, ça fait mal. Il y a Elden Ring qui sort, il y a Metroid Prime 4 qui va leur montrer ce que c'est que des graphismes. Un Big 2025 là, on fait ça là. On va dire que le jeu est pas développé pour la Switch 2, on va se dire ça comme ça, mais bon. Ça fout quand même le seum. Hein. Moi perso, ça, je trouve ça fout le seum.
Pokemon Legends ZA. We'd like to introduce this game's new story, which takes place in a city striving to be somewhere that belongs to both people and Pokemon.
Ok. On peut rentrer
After
dans
you
une
arrive
aventure
in
avec
Lumio
nos amis.
City, either Urbane or Tawny will invite you to join Team MZ. Team MZ's objective is to protect the city of Lumios.
Ok, le mieux
Let's
c'est
get
tous
to
les
know
ennemis.
Team MZ a little better. There's Naveen, a fashion designer in the making. And there's Lita, who aspires to become a professional dancer. As part of Team MZ, you'll spend your days in Lumio City with this crew.
Lumio City by
Lumio
Day and by
City is
Night.
different by day
Ah
and by
oui.
night.
Ouais, ça a l'air d'être plus stylé la
During
nuit.
the day, you can explore the city and find lots of Pokémon to add to your party.
Ok, durant la journée, on peut capturer plus de Pokémon, tandis que la nuit,
Then, by night, you can compete in the ZA Royale with the
on peut
Pokémon
compléter
you
les
train,
ZA
aiming to climb the
Royal.
ranks.
Ok. On peut affronter d'autres gens.
As you advance in the ZA Royale, battles against powerful trainers await.
Ok, on va tomber contre des
One of those
trainers
trainers,
plus
Corbeau, is the
développés.
boss of the Rust Syndicate, an organization
Corbeau est le
operating in
méchant
Lumio City.
principal.
It seems like he has some kind of business with the members of Team MZ. Lumio City offers
Lumio
plenty of
City
ways to have fun
offre
aside
plein
from Pokémon battling, too. Trainers can change
d'habits,
their
enfin de
hairstyles,
changements. On peut
looks,
changer différemment quoi, on
and
peut
outfits
avoir
to
le look
appear
qu'on veut.
however they would like as they stroll around the city.
Ouais, waouh.
If you've teamed up with a Furfrou, a Pokémon with
Si vous
distinctive
êtes
long
avec un
fur,
froufrou,
you can even
avec
have
un
it trimmed
Pokémon
into
long,
fashionable styles.
on peut carrément
You can
le
also take photos
le
in
modifier.
interesting spots, or
Et on peut
relax
prendre des
and hang out
photos.
with your Pokémon if you like.
Ok. Ouais.
All kinds of encounters await you in Lumio City. Emma, the best detective in Lumios, will ask you to help with her detective work.
Il y a Emma qui va nous demander du travail de détective.
You can find people around the city who need a hand and solve
Et
their
on va
problems.
on va devoir demander à des gens pour résoudre des solutions.
Mabel is the acting director of the Pokémon Research Lab.
Mabel is the acting director.
By catching Pokémon,
Ok.
you can aid her research.
C'est le
In return,
c'est le
you can
docteur.
receive useful items for your adventures in this game.
Et normal une folie qui creuse.
Something strange has been occurring in Lumio City recently.
Ok, quelque chose de bizarre durant Lumio City.
Some wild Pokémon have been mega evolving on their own.
Some
and going rogue.
certains Pokémon ont des
These
méga
so-called
évolutions.
rogue, mega evolved Pokémon can't contain their own strength and are the very definition of dangerous.
Et ils sont vraiment dangereux.
To take them on, you'll need to fight Mega Evolution with Mega Evolution.
Ok, donc on a les méga évolutions.
One newly discovered Mega Evolved Pokémon, Mega Dragonite, has
Méga
distinctive
Dragonite qui est
Dragonair-like
nouveau.
features, like wings on its head and a pearl on its tail.
Il
While
a une
tackling
perle
rogue Mega Evolved
derrière
Pokémon,
sur
you'll
sa
want
queue.
an ally from Team MZ at your side, plus strong bonds with your Pokémon. This city holds many
Ok,
stories.
cette city compte plein d'histoires. Compte tellement d'histoires.
Different wishes intertwine, seeking for people and Pokémon to coexist. Pokémon Legends ZA, coming Thursday, October 16, 2025.
Pokémon ZA sortira le 16 octobre sur Nintendo Switch 1 et Nintendo Switch 2. Information Gatorade. Holding a Guard Award as a gift. Evil to be to clean. Ok. For early purchase. Ok.
What did you think?
Qu'est-ce que
Pokemon
vous en
Legends
pensez?
ZA is releasing on October 16.
Bah, je m'attendais à mieux. Hein. Attendez à mieux niveau
We
patch.
hope
Hein.
you're looking forward to your new adventures in Lumios City. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Ok, bon bah c'est fini. Bon. Bah... Pas vraiment beaucoup d'informations. Hein. Pas beaucoup d'informations sur ce Legend Zelda, malheureusement, qui ont été données. Ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais faire